Welcome. Today we're learning simple Christmas vocabulary. The things you see around the tree, in the snow, and in every holiday picture. Let's go. Christmas. A holiday on December 25th when people celebrate and give gifts. Santa Claus. Santa Claus is a jolly man who brings presents to children. Elf. Elf is Santa's small helper who makes toys. Reindeer. Reindeer is an animal that helps pull Santa's sleigh. Sleigh. Sleigh is the vehicle Santa uses to travel and deliver gifts. Snow. Snow is soft, cold white flakes that fall in winter. Snowflake. Snowflake is a tiny frozen crystal with beautiful shapes. Snowman. Snowman is a figure made by stacking snow into a body. Christmas tree. Christmas tree is a decorated tree used for Christmas. Star. Star is a bright decoration placed on top of the tree. Lights. Lights is colorful, glowing bulbs used for decoration. Ornaments. Ornaments is small decorations hung on the Christmas tree. Wreath. Wreath is a round decoration made of leaves and ribbon. Holly. Holly is a plant with green leaves and red berries. Bells. Bells is metal objects that make a ringing sound. Candy cane. Candy cane is a red and white candy people eat at Christmas. Gingerbread man. Gingerbread man is a cookie shaped like a person. Gingerbread house. Gingerbread house is a candy-covered house made from cookie. Cookies. Cookies are sweet snacks people enjoy at Christmas. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is a warm drink made with milk and cocoa. Present. Present is a gift you give to someone on Christmas. Gift box. Gift box is a box people use for gifts. Ribbon. Ribbon is a long strip used to decorate gifts. Bow. Bow is a tied ribbon placed on top of presents. Stocking. Stocking is a big sock hung for Santa to fill with gifts. Fireplace. Fireplace is the warm place inside a house where fire burns. Chimney. Chimney is the tall part of a house where smoke goes out. Santa hat. Santa hat is a red hat with a white top and white edge. Mittens. Mittens are warm gloves that cover all your fingers together. Boots. Boots is warm shoes worn in cold weather. Scarf. Scarf is something you wear on your neck when it's cold. Sweater. Sweater is warm clothing people wear in winter. Angel. Angel is a glowing figure often used as a decoration. Christmas card. Christmas card is a card sent to wish someone a happy holiday. Jingle bells. Jingle bells is small bells that make a light ringing sound. North Pole. North Pole is the snowy place where Santa lives in stories. Snowball. Snowball is a ball made by packing snow together. Ice skates. Ice skates is shoes with metal blades used to glide on ice. Tinsel. Tinsel is shiny strips used to decorate the tree. Wrapping paper. Wrapping paper is colorful paper used to wrap gifts. Snowy house. Snowy house is a house covered with white snow. Snow globe. Snow globe is a small ball with tiny snow that falls when you shake it. Santa sack. Santa sack is a big red bag Santa uses to carry gifts. Candle. Candle is a stick of wax that gives light when it burns. Toy. Toy is something children play with for fun. Bakery. Bakery is a place where bread, cookies, and cakes are made. Snowy tree. Snowy tree is a tree covered in soft white snow. Christmas village. Christmas village is a small decoration set that looks like tiny holiday houses. Christmas market. Christmas market is a place where people shop for holiday food and gifts. Gift shop. Gift shop is a store that sells small presents and souvenirs. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more English learning videos. See you next time, and Merry Christmas!